Welcome to Royal News Updates.
OMG. Prince William advised to Queen Elizabeth for Prince Andrew's royal title, after US legal case news. Before we start, please, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, thanks. Prince Andrew losing his titles was a decision made by the entirety of the royal family as they will assume his reclaimed responsibilities, according to a royal expert. On Thursday, Prince Andrew was stripped of his military titles and royal patronages in a shock announcement from Buckingham Palace. The Duke of York, 61, will also lose the ability to call himself His Royal Highness in an official capacity. The statement from the palace confirmed the Queen's assent to the decision to remove the titles from her son. The titles will be returned to the monarch, 95, who will then redistribute them to other members of the royal family, it is understood. Each of the royal family members who could receive additional duties previously carried out by Prince Andrew were involved in the consultation, a royal journalist has now said. Speaking to German news outlet Stern, Omid Scobie commented, "When we were briefed by the palace on what was happening, we were told that the decision was discussed within the extended family. Everyone was included." The author of Finding Freedom said, "Before such a decision is made, the question of who will take on which tasks is discussed. These military titles and charitable patronages must be assumed by other members of the royal family. So it was only natural that the decision should be discussed in this round before it was announced." The palace statement read, "With the Queen's approval and agreement, the Duke of York's military affiliations and royal patronages have been returned to the Queen." The palace added, "The Duke of York will continue not to undertake any public duties and is defending this case as a private citizen." Earlier this week, the move by Andrew's legal team to dismiss a civil suit brought by Jeffrey Epstein accuser, Virginia Giuffre, was rejected by U.S. Judge Lewis Kaplan. The Duke of York has consistently denied the allegations against him. Mr. Scobie has described how Judge Kaplan's verdict not to throw out Ms. Giuffre's civil suit was a key moment for whether the Duke of York would retain his titles. "I wasn't surprised because his last chance to avoid a trial was gone with Judge Kaplan's decision. I always thought that at that moment the royal family would do anything to distance themselves from him." He added, "Andrew was so desperate to clear his name and finally start working for the crown again to some extent, however unlikely it was, that it has kept him from backing down. The judge's decision has now provided clarity. The case will go to court, whether he likes it or not." Mr. Scobie zeroed in on the precise wording of Buckingham Palace's statement on the removal of the Queen's second son's titles. He added, "The fact that this statement includes the word private citizen draws the strongest line between her and Andrew. The Queen basically publicly says, now he's on his own." Additional reporting by Monica Pollenberg. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comment. Thanks.
Subscribe to our channel.